Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, The Equity Trader. So today, as you can see, it's one day before the budget day. Advanced decline ratio clearly shows that the market is fairly optimistic, and I'm looking at Naukri, Bell, Mindtree for gap up shorting opportunities. So let's see. Again, the market is going to be very volatile today and tomorrow, so I will avoid taking any unnecessary trades today. So maybe I may only be taking 1 or 2 trades per day. Tomorrow even I may even skip altogether. So let's see. I'll update you if I take up any trade. So guys, I've taken up my first trade for today. It's an extremely risky trade. Again, it's a purely momentum play. If you can see, it reached the day's high on 3-minute time frame. The reason why I'm saying this is risky, like I've said in a few other videos, is it's extremely far away from its moving average. So unless there is a quick momentum, the chances of this hitting the target becomes really low. As you can see, it's already struggling from my buy point. So if the loss is close to -70. I'm just going to wait till if it has to hit the target. Right now it's looking extremely negative. I'll update you. So guys, like you can see, this trade is very close to hitting my stop loss. It's exactly in its demand zone. The last time it gave a good bounce from this particular region, my stop loss is right below it. So if there has to be any kind of buying pressure, it will come from this particular point, else it's going to happily take my stop loss away. So guys, also if you can see carefully, I took this trade around this region. Again, one should usually avoid these wicks at the top because they are usually a sign of sell-off. And I was a little skeptical initially because if you look at this particular breakout candle, the proper one, there was a huge wick at top with increase in volumes, which is sometimes often signifies that the sellers have started becoming active. That's why there's a wick at the top. However, the only reason why I still went ahead with this trade was because I had a look at the Nifty IT index, and this one was looking fairly bullish. There was no wick. So usually, sometimes I do refer to the index of the strength overall, to which the stock belongs, especially for banks and IT, to figure out if to figure out an early entry. Hi guys, so WIPRO has taken out my stop loss. I took my trade based on the IT index overall. However, WIPRO did not really follow it, and right now it's giving a sharp reversal from my exact point. It may be just a retrace before it falls further again. Again, because it is a gap up, sometimes it is a possibility that it may go on for a gap fill. So guys, I haven't taken up any new trade. I just wanted to update you how WIPRO is performing so far and the importance of the moving averages I was talking about and the timing rather than the analysis itself. If you look at this particular trade, my analysis was pretty accurate. My stop loss got hit just by, like, if you look at this particular candle, the low was 566. My stop loss was 566.10. Now it has given a bounce from the 10 moving average on the 5-minute time frame, and it looks like it's going to head up steadily towards the target from here. So in any given trade, it's very important to also enter at the right time. So guys, I haven't really taken any other trades so far. If you can see here, still just the WIPRO trade, which has already hit my stop loss. The markets are range bound, so if you see, it's in 17,290 to 17,366. It's within a 75 point cluster. Until it gives a breakout on higher or lower side, we can't expect much movement. So I will update you if there is any movement and if there's any trading opportunity that will come up. Hi guys, so I have taken up another trade on MARICO. I'll quickly explain you the reason behind my entry and what my expectations from this trade are, as well as the entire reason behind the SL and the target. So now, if you look carefully, in the morning it gave a sharp momentum, completely one way, and then followed by a retrace. So it was a healthy retrace because it started an upward journey exactly from 0.5 Fibonacci levels, and and it also took support from, it also broke the 10 EMA and 20 EMA of 5-minute time frame. Right now it's consolidating in this particular region, so if it heads higher, there's a huge probability it will hit my target I have placed right at the day high, which my expectations are that it's going to go back again if it's going to be a strong momentum. So yeah, I'll update you if it goes towards my target or my stop loss. Also, this is going to be my last trade for the day because I'm fairly busy with some other work, and I'm just going to be monitoring MARICO. I won't be looking at other stocks for the rest of the day now. Hi guys, another update. So as you can see, MARICO is inching towards the stop loss. It actually came very close to the stop loss. If you can see, I took this trade around this particular region. It almost came down till here, bounced. Now let's see if it can bounce and go make a double bottom pattern and start its upward journey from these particular levels, or just crash and go further down. So I'll update you. From the structure, it does look like it is going to hit the stop loss again. So guys, as you can see, my stop loss on MARICO is taken out again. The price barely moved on the higher direction from where I took this entry. It's most likely going to go ahead further downwards, maybe give a little bit of retrace and test the day's low now, but I'm done trading for the day. If you see, my position had some slippage, 0.35 points, so I have booked a loss of 413 rupees today, all in all. And that's it for today. So tomorrow is the budget day, so I'm going to be thinking of taking some options trade. That's why, if you see, I have a lot of options here, so I'm going to have a look later around 3 p.m. if I can deploy a strategy today, or I'll do it tomorrow in the first 5 minutes. Again, I'm fairly new to options, so I may not record the whole process because I don't want you to learn anything which is not correct. So I'll see. Either way, I'm probably going to post a small video. If I do take up a trade in options tomorrow, I'm going to post maybe a small YouTube shorts or something like that for an update. So I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Also, if you did like this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel, and press the bell icon for instant notifications.